To remove the background of an image like this, here's what you need to do. Inside ChatGPT, select and upload your desired image with the background that you want to remove. As you can see our prompt, I'm asking ChatGPT to remove the background of my image and ensure that all the details, elements, and all the things are present and as accurate with the initial image. With this simple prompt, let's see how well ChatGPT generates our image. Now let's wait, and would you look at that final output? You can see that there is no background anymore. I'm gonna show you our initial photo so that you can compare. In this initial photo, you can see the background are there, but with this final output, the only thing that remained is the main subject, and that's what we want. Now you don't have to tire yourself editing and removing the background yourself. With just a simple click with ChatGPT, you could remove the background effortlessly. Just write your prompt as specifically as possible so that ChatGPT could generate it without a problem. Alright, so now you know how to remove a background of an image like this. Watch this playlist to get more image prompt ideas.